In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the internal battery in a Hyundai Elantra Touring key fob. This particular fob was used between the years 2010 and 2014 and uses a CR2032 battery. Changing the battery is very simple and the batteries are very inexpensive. You can buy it online and do the whole process yourself at home. If you'd like to buy a battery on Amazon, I'll leave a link in the YouTube description so you can go ahead and get that. Start by going to the top of this key fob and looking for this little notch. There's a groove in the top that you can put a flathead screwdriver in and twist, just to get the two halves of plastic to separate. Opening it up, you will see the CR2032 battery is right there. I'm going to take my instrument, my flathead screwdriver, and push on the bottom of the battery. You can pull it out with your fingers on the top. Go ahead and get a brand new one. Make sure the positive side with this text and information is facing up, and just slide it in the same way. Push it down until it's all the way in the bottom. And let's say when you opened it up, you did it like this, and all these buttons fell out. It's actually really easy. Take your circuit board, put it to one side. This fits into place very easily like that. Let's look. Okay, this way is up. So the hold goes like this. Just flip it over. Carefully put it in place so that everything lies flush. Take your circuit board, put it on top just like that, and just reattach the two halves of the key fob. As you can see, the light is on and we're good to go. Very simple. Thank you so much for watching.